Shipping a container overseas can feel like a complex and overwhelming process, but with the right knowledge and preparation, it doesn't have to be. Here's your step-by-step guide on how to ship a container overseas, from selecting the right container to ensuring everything is packed safely and ready for delivery. The first step is to choose the correct container size. Shipping containers come in different sizes, typically ranging from 20 to 50 feet. A larger container offers more space, but also comes with a higher cost. Think about your needs carefully. More space means more room to pack, but a smaller container might help you save money. Next, decide if you want a full container load, FCL, or less than container load, LCL. FCL means your items fill the entire container, making the shipping process more straightforward. On the other hand, LCL allows you to share a container with other shipments, which can save you money but may add some complications. Shipping costs can vary significantly depending on several factors, including the size and weight of your container, the shipping method, and the distance involved. Generally, shipping costs can range from $2,000 to $3,000. Need help? Contact us for a complimentary, no-obligation quote today, and let us guide you through the process.